Welcome back, my YouTube family. Welcome back to another exciting episode on our channel. Today, we have got something really special for you, sales and data wizards out there. Are you ready to dive into the world of FMCG sales distribution? I'm ready. Are you? Now, we all know that data is the key to success in the business world, and having a clear and visually appealing dashboard is like having a powerful magic wand that helps us unlock the secrets hidden within the numbers. And that we have here today, FMCG sales distribution dashboard in Excel that will blow your mind. Take a look at this beauty. At the top we have all the important KPIs that are the heartbeat of any successful sales operation: retail sales, wholesale, total sales, average sales, number of regions, number of territories, number of brands. They all are here giving us a comprehensive overview of the business operations. But wait, it gets even better. Feast your eyes on these amazing donut charts. Here we can quickly see how sales are distributed across different regions and brands. Southern and central regions are rocking with the demographic areas. On the other hand, Parle-G, the king of biscuits. Now let's turn our attention to these captivating area charts. They show the sales for the past 2 years month-wise. It's like a time machine that lets us travel back and forth and comparing sales performance and identifying the patterns. What a fantastic tool for strategic planning. And if you thought that was impressive, wait till you see this regional trend area charts. It's like the dashboard's heartbeat showcasing how each region is performing over time. We can spot the rising stars and the ones that need a little extra love, attention. It's all about the empowering decisions. And then we have the territory sales bar chart, a powerful visualization of sales data across different territories. It's like a friendly competition between the territories and motivating everyone to put their best foot forward. And for all of you data hungry folks out there, this day wise sales area chart is a feast. It's give us a clear picture of sales on daily basis, perfect for spotting any spikes or dips and understanding the day-to-day dynamics of sale. But wait, there's more. These slicers are here allow us to slice and dice the data just we want. We can filter region, brand, time, you name it. It's like having a magic to get data as per your requirement. So this is all with reference to the introduction. Now let's get started and start building this powerful, dynamic and interactive dashboard. So now I'm going to select this column, Control 1 from your keyboard, going to date and scroll down to selecting this one. I'm selecting this sheet, double click here. Now I'm going to press Control T from my keyboard. Make sure this option must be checked. This data is converted into table. First of all, I'm going to change the sheet name to sales data. I'm copying this and I'm going to this table design, and here I will replace this table 1 to sales data. Now this is my sales data table, and this is necessary to change the name of the table because in future the tracking of the table will be easy for me. Right now you have one table in your workbook, but later on might be you will be working in some projects where you have to deal with multiple tables. So make sure to assign the meaningful name to your tables. So now I'm going to Power Pivot and I'm going to add to data model. Now I'm going to design, and here I will be adding my calendar because I have to make some time related calculations in this project. So I'm going to add this calendar table. So here I'm going to add month name. So I will be using the formula of format for this purpose. Format, I will be selecting my date, comma, and I will be writing MMM in inverted commas. So it will return me the shorter name of the month. Now I'm selecting here and I'm going to type day number. So you need to day this date column. You can use this one as well, and here you can also use the format formula as well. I'm selecting this one and in inverted commas I will be typing DDD, and if I will press Okay, so it will return me the shorter form of the day, but I need the numbers. So now it will return me number. So I'm going to my sales data. From here I'm going to design diagram view, and I will connect these both tables. Basically this is the part of data modeling. This date will be connected to this actual date. Now I can slice and I can get data from any table. These both tables are connected to each other. So now I'm going to data view and I'm going to this my sales data. Here I will be making some DAX calculations. So my first DAX calculation is to calculate my retail sale. So I'm typing retail underscore sale sum of this retail column. My second calculation is to calculate to sum up the wholesales. So my whole underscore sales sum of this wholesale column. So this is my wholesale. Now I have to get the total sales. So what I will do, I will just add total underscore sales and I will add this retail plus this wholesale. So it will give me my total sales. So now I'm selecting these three. I will press this comma formatting and I will remove my one decimal. So now I have to calculate my average sale. For this, first of all, I will be calculating my total number of days. Then I will divide my sales on these days. So how I will calculate my total number of days? Days distinct count of this date column. So it will return me 618 days, 618 days. It means the salesmen were in the market for sales for 618 days. So now what I need to do, I have to calculate my average sales. So I will divide my these total sales by these number of days. So it will return me my per day sales or my average sales. Basically this is my per day sale. So now the salesman worked in the market for 618 days and they were selling 12.8 cartons per day. If I will multiply 618 with 12.8, it will return me 7910. This total sales. Hope so you got this, how to calculate the number of days, what was the logic behind the calculation of days, and how I calculated the average sale or per day sale. So now I will be going to my sheet and make sure you have to select this page layout, and from here you need to select this blue green format. This will be the core color scheme that I will be using for my this dashboard. So I'm selecting this one and now I'm going to insert my first report. So I'm going back to my Power Pivot. From here I will be selecting my pivot table and press OK. So this is my sales by region. I'm copying this, select this one, going to pivot table analyze, and I will replace the pivot name to sales by region. I'm giving the meaningful name to my pivot tables, so later it will be easy for me to track my pivot tables while I will be connecting my slices with my pivot table. This will also help me. Now I'm going to select my region. So this is my region and here is my sales. So these are my total, this is my total sales. Now I'm going to insert. From here I will be visiting my this donut chart and I will be selecting this one, going to format. From here I will set it to 2.2 and this will be 4. Right click on it, hide all field buttons, select this one. I'm copying this and I will replace the title sales by region. Going to home and I will select Arial, make it bold. Now I'm selecting this data labels, double click on my chart, selecting this one, going to label options, and here I will be selecting category name and my percentage. Make it bold. Now I'm selecting this one and I'm going to border fill, solid fill. I will be selecting this same color and I will make it 6. Now I'm going to select my this one solid fill, this color, and I will make it 4. Now I will be selecting this one solid fill and make it 2. So my this chart is ready. Now I'm right click on it, move or copy, create a copy. So this is my sales by brand. Sales by brand. I'm copying this, going to my pivot table analyze. I will replace the name to sales by brand. Click here, copy and paste it here, sales by brand. Now I will replace this region with my brands. So now this is looking perfect. I'm selecting, make it bold. So now I'm going to right click on it, move or copy, create a copy, and here I will be making a chart for sales into retail versus wholesale. Going here, I will replace this with none, retail, wholesale, and uncheck this total sales. Now I'm going to press equal to from my keyboard is equal to, copy paste, copy paste. So now these are my sales, this is my retail sale, this is my wholesale. Now I'm going to select this one and I'm going to insert. From here I will be selecting my this chart. So these are my sales, retail versus wholesale. So I'm selecting this one, press Ctrl D. I'm double clicking on my chart, select this labels, going to this one label options, and here I will be selecting the values number and make it 1, and the size of this chart will be 2.2 to 4. So now I'm going to right click on it, move, create a copy, and this is my monthly trend. I'm copying it, going to my pivot table analyze, and I will be replacing it name to monthly trend. Now I'm going to my this pivot table feed list, and here I will be replacing this brand with my month number and my month name, and I will be placing my year in column. I'm going to design, not design, in design, and do not tabular and repeat all. Now you need to right click on it, change chart type, and I will be selecting this area chart, this one, press OK, going to this format, and here I will be making it to 3.3 and 4.84. Double click on my chart and I will be selecting my data label, going to this, and I will uncheck category name and uncheck this show leader lines, make them bold. clicking my this grid line and press delete from my keyboard. So this is my monthly sale trend. Monthly sales trend. Now I'm going to copy it, move or copy, create a copy, and this will be my region trend. I'm copying this my region trend, going to power pivot, this power table analyze monthly to region trend. Now I will be replacing show field list and I will be replacing my this year with my region. Clicking on it, going to the data labels and select all of them, make them bold. Regional sales trend. So now my these both trend charts are ready. So now I'm going to right click on it, going to move, create a copy. This is my territory trend. I'm copying this, selecting my this pivot table, going to pivot table analyze, and here I will be pasting territory trend. So now I'm going to my this pivot table field list and I will be replacing this, this and this with territory, with this territory. So these are my territory wise sales. Now I'm going to right click on it, change chart type, and I will be selecting this bar chart. I will be sorting it from smallest to largest. I'm clicking on it, going to format, and I will giving this 6.68 to 3.35. Control B. So this is my territory sales trend. Now I'm going to right click on it, move, create a copy. This is my day sales. So I will be replacing this territory with day. This is my day number and right click on it, newest to oldest. So now I'm going to add one new sheet. This will be my main dashboard sheet and I'm going to insert to page layout, background, black, gradient color. I will be selecting this color, insert, view. From here, I will uncheck this grid line, this heading, this formula bar. I'm going to select this auto hide ribbon. So now I will be visiting my chart sheet and I will be pasting all of my charts on this main dashboard sheet. So I will be visiting my this first sales dashboard, control X and control V on my main dashboard. Now I'm here, control X, control V. So now I will be arranging all of my these charts. So this is my sales by trend. Here, sales by brand. So now I'm selecting my this chart. I'm going to format, shape fill, no fill. Now I'm selecting my this chart, and you need to press F4 from your keyboard. Press this one, F4, shape fill to no fill. Press this F4, press this F4, press this F4. Now I will be selecting all of my values on my charts and will be converting their font color to white. So I'm selecting my this title and font color to white. I'm selecting this one. I'm converting its font color to Arial. In this sheet, I'm going to add my KPIs. I'm going here and I'm copying this table to my KPI sheet. So my first KPI is to get my retail sale. So right click on it, show field list, and I will be selecting uncheck this region and retail sale. So this is my, I'm going to pivot table options, and here I will select it retail sale. So again I'm copying this. This will be my wholesale. Again I'm copying this. This will be my total sale. Again I'm copying this, and this will be my average sales. Now I want the number of regions, number of territories, and number of brands. So I will copy this pivot table again, and I'm going to this my region. Click this icon, going to value field setting, and from here I will be selecting this distinct count. So it will return me the distinct count of the region. So I have 4 regions in my data. Copying it again, and I'm replacing this with the territories, and again I'm click this icon value field setting, and here I will be selecting the district count of my territories. So I have 41 territories as per this data. Again I'm copying this and brand here, and click here value field setting, and here I will be selecting my this distinct count. Okay, so these are my brand. Total 8 brands are in my this company. So I'm going to this pivot table analyze. This is my brand pivot. This is my territories. These are my regions. This is my average sale. This is my total sales. This is my wholesales, and this is my retail sale. I already gave that name to this table. So my KPIs are ready now. Now I'm going back to my main dashboard sheet, and here I will be inserting the KPIs and I will align them with my this KPI sheet. So now I'm going to my insert. From insert I will be selecting this shape. I will be pasting it here, and I'm going to shape format. From here shape fill to this color, and I'm going to again my shape fill gradient fill, and I will be selecting this one. Now again I'm selecting this one. I'm going to insert a text box. I will be inserting a text box here. So going to shape format. From here I will be selecting this color. Going to my this gradient and I will be selecting this one. I'm selecting it again and I'm going to shape fill. I will be selecting this color, again going to my gradient color and I will be selecting this one. This color is looking more good with it. Now I'm selecting these both shapes and I'm going to shape outline and make it white. So I'm clicking it and I'm selecting this one, writing here retail, make it white, center line, middle line, Arial. Now right click on it and make it group. Copy paste, copy it and paste it. Right click on it and make it group. This is my retail sale, this is my wholesale, and this is my total. This is my total sale. Now I'm selecting this one and I'm going to view, and here I will check this formula bar. I will select it and equal to, here going to my KPI sheet, and here I will be selecting this my retail sale. Press OK. Then I will be going to home tab, make it white, center align or upper align, I think middle align and center align, comic, and make it bold. Make it white. So selecting this one is equal to, going to my KPI sheet, select wholesale, again selecting this one is equal to, going here KPI, and this is my total sales. I'm selecting this one and selecting this one, going to my, make it bold, comic, bold, center line, middle line, and this one. Again selecting this one. Now I'm copy it and paste it here. Here I will be showing my average sales, and here I will be showing my retail percentage. Copying it again. Here I will be showing my number of regions. Here I will be showing of my number of territory, and here I will be showing my number of brands. Going here is equal to, going to my KPI. So these are my regions. Press OK. Now selecting this one, going to going again to formula bar is equal to, going to KPI, and this is my number of territories. Now selecting it again, going to my formula bar. This is my number of brands, and here I have to select my average sales is equal to. So these are my average sales. Here I have to calculate the retail margin. How I can calculate the retail margin? I'm going here. I will divide the retail sales. These are my retail sales with the total sales. These are my total sales. So this is the percentage of my retail sales toward the total sale. So now going back here, and here I will be showing my retail percentage, or you can say retail contribution or retail margin. So make it bold, white, bold, comic, middle line, right align, and make it white. Again selecting one and repeating the same process on it. Selecting this one, repeating the same process on it. So now I'm selecting these all, right click on it and making it a group. So now my KPIs cards are ready. Now I'm going to insert. From here I will be inserting a shape, this shape. Here I will be typing FMCG, distribution sales dashboard, and I'm making it comic 26, making it bold. I think 22 will be enough for it. Make it bold already, make it white, and I will be making this on this alignment. Now I'm going to insert icon, and here I will be inserting a icon of truck. I'm going to graphic format. From here I will be making this white, outline as well to white, shadow to shape format, and shadow to this one. So now I'm going to click on it and I'm going to insert slicers. I will be inserting the slicers for year. I will be selecting the month number. This is the month number and region. So I will be inserting these slicers here. So far I will be clicking on it, make it 2. I'm clicking this one, this, right click on it, going to slicer setting, and from here I will uncheck this heading and I will check this hide items with no data. Press OK. Now I'm going to slicer and columns, make it 4. 0.44 and I make its height 0.44 as well. Going to slicer and make its columns to 6. Make it 12. I'm selecting all of these slicers and I'm going to this slicer from here 0.20, 0.15, 0.34, and I will also make its height to 0.34 and selecting this one and make it 0.34. Now again I'm selecting this one and I'm going to my insert slicer. I will be selecting slicer for my brand 4. Right click on it and uncheck this one and select this hide item with no data, and I'm going to this 0.15. Right click on it and make it group. So now I'm selecting my slicers and I'm going to this slicer and I will be selecting this option. So now if I will try to slice the data with these slicers, for example, I will slice with this my brand Britannia or Cabin or Digestive, it will not slice the whole dashboard. So what is the reason why this is not slicing the whole dashboard? Because my these slices are not connected with all the pivot reports. So what I need to do, I am selecting my this slicer and I have to visit my this slicer section, and here I need to connect all my reports with this slicer. So here I will connect all my pivot tables. Again selecting my other report connection. Here I will be selecting all my pivot. Now if I will select my central region, it will slice the whole dashboard with reference to this region. Now my whole dashboard has been sliced with reference to central. This is the central trend, this is central trend, this is showing the territories of central region, and this is showing the central region sales for days. If I'm selecting any month, it is slicing this monthly sale trend and regional trade trend as well. These both trend. So I want this month trend and this year trend slice the rest charts, but it must not slice these two charts. So what I need to do, I'm going to select this slicer and going to my slicer report connection, and here I will uncheck these both charts from here. So I will uncheck this one and this one. Now if I will select any month, it will slice the rest all the pivot reports but will not slice these two reports. Same in the case of year. Going to slicer report connection, and I will uncheck these both reports. Now I can see the sales of any month, but it will not slice my these trends. So now this is the sale of December month of 2020. In December month 2020, company sold out 114.4. Total average sale was for this month 7.6, and the retail portion was 68%. And there were 4 regions, 34 territories, and 8 brands sold out in these months. I'm going to graphic format, and here I will change the color to white and make it 0.40. Insert icons. .40 and make it white. So basically these are my shops, these are my retail shops, and these are my wholesales. So finally we have created our this dynamic, powerful and interactive dashboard. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you found this video of FMCG sales distribution dashboard in Excel as exciting as I did. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family for more amazing content like this. Until next time, keep exploring, keep analyzing, and keep making data magic. See you soon. Goodbye.